Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Canva with Photoshop. The first thing I'm going to share with you is what is my recommendation for you to use. Then I'm going to compare pricing plan, and then I'm going to look on the features they actually offer and what you can actually do with both. So let's start. Now, Canva is really amazing if you are not really good with the graphic and if you don't want to learn a lot of advanced stuff and you don't want to pay for Photoshop because Photoshop is not for free. You can choose Canva. So let's say I'm a YouTuber and I want to create a YouTube thumbnail. It's really good to just choose Canva, or let's say I want to create Instagram post because it's going to be much more effective. You're going to have templates that you can inspire from, but you have limitation what you can actually do with it and what kind of design you can create. So yes, you can do it and use it for free. You have plenty of templates, but you got limitation of if you want to create advanced style, you won't be able to because Canva just doesn't offer it. So that's like disadvantage, but also advantage that if you're starting out and if you don't want to create advanced graphic styles, Canva is okay. On the other hand, Photoshop is really great if you want to create advanced stuff, if you want to play around with the backgrounds, if you want to also use blending options with the layers and stuff. And in that way, I use Photoshop a lot for thumbnails, but I use Canva and also Snappa, and then I just also use Photoshop. So I combine these two. I'm not like I use only that one or that one, I just choose both. Now, when we compare the pricing plans on Photoshop, you're gonna see that, okay, you have $21 a month and it's annual plan, but you have to pay for it. On the other hand, on Canva, it's free. And then if you want to pay monthly, it's €12 a month. That's like $15 monthly. So $15 a month, and you're gonna have everything free. Has plus create one brand kit and upload your own fonts and logos. And you got everything for free. So you can use the pro version and you got everything covered. When we compare what you can actually do with it, as I mentioned, I would definitely go with the Canva if you want to create simple things with simple design. Let me show you. So I'm going to use this template here. What I can do is to move everything as much as I want. I can play around with it. Then I have like elements that I can use. So let's say I'm going to use this one, this thing here, and I can move it. I can change colors. Then I can add also text here. I can add audio. I can play with a video. And the one thing is that if I want to create like the cheers here, right? It's going to take much more time to do it in Photoshop comparing to just choosing and using it in Canva. So that's a huge thing in my opinion. So that's something that you should definitely keep in mind. That okay, Canva is amazing because like plenty of these things, if I should have to create them in Photoshop, it will take me a really long time. But on the other hand, let's say that you want to work and delete the background with quick selection tool. You need Photoshop for that. Let's say that you want to work with the eyedrop tool and you want to work with various brush tools. In that regard, Photoshop is much better. It really depends what do you actually need. Also, the way how you can work with the text and what you can do with the text is much more complex in Photoshop comparing to Canva. So that's another thing. Also, another thing are layers that you can work with. So plenty of designers are using Photoshop. So that's another thing. But again, I would definitely choose Canva and use Canva if you want to create simple graphics. But even those simple graphics can seem as so beautiful, right? As a design. So that's something you should definitely keep in mind. So to summarize this video, they're both great platforms, but use Canva if you want to create graphic, if you want to free account, and if you want to design something that is not like going to be so advanced. But if you want to go with advanced styles and if something is missing that you need to use in Canva, you should definitely use Photoshop. So that's what I would personally do, and that's what I would personally recommend for you to do. So yeah, if you have any questions, ask me the guys down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.